Good morning. John Teal from Johnny Snowplow Services and Teal's Excavating. I am working at this storage facility where I park my equipment, doing some regrading of the parking lot here, and a little fine tuning has to happen here. I just got to go around with the rake and touch some things up, maybe knock a little bit of dust down with the machine. Had to build that up quite a bit. Build this up quite a bit in here, and the problem that's in here is that there's a lot of ponding, which all I can do is build it up a little bit. There's not much I can do about it unless we do some major work here, but all I wanted to do was put some gravel in here and just kind of raise it up a little bit through this area and try and force some of the water out, which there is some fall from here down, but not a whole lot. The old 743 Bobcat out today. A good little unit. I really like this machine. I bought it in the spring and she's never given me an ounce of problem yet. Knock on wood, now that I say that. You never know, right? But she's runs good. Doesn't seem to smoke any. No blow. There isn't any blow by on it, so I'm happy about that. Apparently the engine was rebuilt in it. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it does what I need it to do. We got a pile of gravel there. Just going to go down the side of the building on that side. Here we're just touching up a few spots, raising it up a little bit so that water can run off. And we installed this container for him a little while ago, earlier in the summer. And then also in here we've built this up a little bit too. And then also down the side of the building there. That was all done yesterday. I got one more load of stone coming today for over on the far side. And that's about it for here.